I'm now so misweighted that my bag wants to fall over, so let me pull the thing that's weighing it down. In the back pocket that normally is for laptops and things is where I keep my sockets set. When I first started working on RVs, I thought everything would be in SAE or standard because most RVs are made in Indiana. And I run into the odd metric thing all of the time. So I now have a pretty good set of both SAE and metric sockets to help me get off all the weird hex heads that you run into on an RV. But honestly, again, Harbor Freight, and you just keep it on, the thing it came on, and they just slide on and off super easy. So not something, if you're just starting building out your RV toolkit, these got some weight to them, and honestly, most of the hex heads that you run into on an RV can be done with this multi-tool in a pinch. So, are these super helpful? Yes, but you can live without them at first.